Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to draw and color some amazing vegetables together. These crayons look really nice. And they're really big too. Now let's open the box. Here we go. Wow, they look so bright. Let me show them to you up close on the camera. They're really pretty and super big. Now, how about we play with them? I think it's going to be really fun. Let's get started. Let's roll them. Rolling crayons is really fun. Now let's pick one and take a closer look. I wonder what the tip looks like. Yeah, purple looks awesome. Wow, look at that crayon tip. It's huge. Coloring with this will be amazing. Awesome? Yeah. If you're ready, it's drawing time. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. First, try to guess what I'm drawing. While I draw, see if you can guess the vegetable. Ready? It's a carrot. Can you guess this one? Yeah, I think you figured it out. That's right, it's cauliflower. Now guess the next vegetable. Come on, say it out loud. You got it. It's an onion? You guessed this one too. This one is a tomato. Can you guess this one? I drew it a little funny, but it's a potato. This one is a pepper. Now let's make the lines thicker so the colors stay inside while we color. Let's keep going. Now the cauliflower. Next comes the onion. Now let's do the tomato. And the potato. And finally our bell pepper. It looks awesome. Now it's time to say all the vegetable names. Let's see if you remember them all. Carrot. Great job! You remembered. Cauliflower. This one is onion. That's right, tomato. And potato. And the last one, you got this one too. This one is pepper. Awesome job. That means you really love vegetables. Now it's time for our colorful crayons. Today, I made a super fun coloring page for you. It's going to be fast and colorful. You won't want to miss the surprise part. Let's line up our crayons. And think about which colors we should use. Our crayons look great, and so does our picture. Now it's time to color everything in. You can print this page at home and color along with your family too. Now let's move the crayons to the side. I made a fast coloring version just for you. If you're ready, it's coloring time. We're going to color everything with bright colors. And we'll do it really fast. Let's go. First, we color the carrot leaves green. That looks great. Let the coloring race begin. I told you. It would be colorful and super fast. I didn't want you to get bored. Our carrot turned out so colorful. Now it's cauliflower's turn. I really love colorful drawings like this. You can use any colors you want to. We made the cauliflower stem pink. It looks really pretty. Now it's onion time. Purple, yellow, red. I'm making everything super colorful. I love how they look like a rainbow. What color do you think the tomato will be? I'm going to use 3 colors for the tomato. One side is pink. The middle is orange. And the last part is red. The potato has 2 colors too. We'll make this one 3 colors too. Let's make the middle orange too. One side is dark blue. Our coloring is finished. Now let's say the names again. Carrot, cauliflower, onion, tomato. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be waiting for you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.